You changed your filter? Sorry. You're not doing very good TikTok editing. I know. Okay, my surprise time. You changed your filter. You changed your filter. That was my dad. The dad sigh on that thing, man. You changed your filter. You changed your filter. My brain doesn't comprehend the difference between the two. Filters, you changed them. All right, ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, really? You changed your filter? Oh, shit. You changed your filter. Oh my god.